Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add custom HTML code to Weebly. First, log into your account, then go to your site editor. Now, once inside, to add in a custom HTML code, on the left panel, you will see all the elements, so just go and show all. Now for here, you will see your embed code. So just go ahead and drag it to the section where you want it to be. Once done, you can click on the code block where you can go and edit your custom HTML. For example, I will add this Canva design to my Weebly website. So I'm going to click on the share button, then choose embed, and I will copy my HTML embed code. Now go back to Weebly. Click again on the code block and edit it. Then, go and paste your custom HTML code. Now, click on outside of the code, and as you can see, it will now show you the content of the code that you just pasted. And that's just basically it. That's how you add a custom HTML code on Weebly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.